My name is Jacinta McIntyre and I attended today in memory of my sister Sarah Brown, who passed away in 1999 on the 27th of July from injuries that she couldn't come back from, unfortunately. Sarah was a huge force. She was only 16 at the time, but she was a huge force in life, always surrounded by drones of friends everywhere she went, very popular, always doing up to something, going somewhere. And when she passed, she left a huge void in our family. We were on our summer holidays from school. We had just completed fifth year together. She had joined me in fifth year from another school and I had done TY. So we did fifth year together, went on our summer holidays, and she never came back with me to school after that. Sarah left our house on the 19th of July in '99 to get a lift to her friend's house with her best friend's mother. And unfortunately, I think a mere 15 minutes later, they were on the motorway on the N2 and a truck, articulated truck, rear-ended the car, instantly killing her friend's mother, and left Sarah in hospital for 8 days in Beaumont with severe injuries that she never regained consciousness from. We were both at home that day, myself and Sarah. She was 16, I was 18, and my mum was at work and my siblings were elsewhere at the time. And her friend's mum just called for her, just sporadically. She was coming by the house. She thought maybe Sarah might want to come over to hang out for the day. And Sarah headed off, and I literally got a knock on the door then from a neighbour who was also friends with the family, that she had gotten a phone call to say there was a massive accident on the N2. Now at this stage, it was raining, the weather had turned, and I had my boyfriend that was there at the time, and we just got into mode where I had to get there. And when I got there, it was chaos, absolute chaos. The emergency services were there and the truck itself had jackknifed on the road. And from what we were told at the time, he had bent down to get something behind his steering wheel and he crashed into the car. Now they had been trying to go indicate into their house. Jeanette was indicating into her house, but he didn't see that on time, and he sent them, I think they spun over to the other side of the road in the ditch. So Sarah was then taken to Navan Hospital briefly, but moved on to Beaumont Hospital to treat her head injuries. But as I said, she never regained consciousness for the 8 days. She was put on life support, and we weren't allowed to actually really speak to her because her brain had swelled so much that in turn she didn't recover from it and all her organs failed, and she passed away on the 27th of July. So to say that was the most horrific day I've ever encountered in my life, I really think I went into shock then, and those following days afterwards, it never became a reality for me until I saw her being brought home in a coffin. She was only really a baby in life, and I suppose never got to grow with us and have babies or get married, and to be able to do that, it's quite sad on a daily basis. We don't have her here, but I know she's very strong in spirit with us. We can feel her everywhere, so yeah. So I had to do sixth year on my own. It was horrific, but I had massive support of my friends, the community, and I wouldn't have been able to do it without them. So yeah, that's it.